Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a valve Moen 1225. Very easy. The first thing, turn the water off under the sink, both of them, so I don't have any surprises. Then make sure that drain is closed so nothing fall on the pipes. Then you lift the handle right here, you're going to see a little cap. Okay, then get a screwdriver. It's very hard to do with one hand, but I make easy already to make sure to show you. Remove that, and you're gonna see an L screw right there. Then you gotta, I don't know exactly what size it is, but go right there and remove the little screw right there. I removed the screw already. That the screw comes from on the bottom right here. Then pull up the handle. You're gonna see another screw right there. Then get screw loose. Then take one part after another. Always good to take a picture, make sure which part's coming first or after. This part right here, okay, just screw or twist. It's coming out. I like to put in order so I know exactly how everything goes afterwards. This area right here, to remove this, you have a lock right there. You just get a small screwdriver and pull out. And come up, very easy. This has a little washer right in the top. Always remember to remove this. And it's never coming out so easy, okay? But I just got a little loose already. What I usually do, I put a screwdriver, lay down here, get a wrench so I can get some lever, and pull up. And after remove, and always make sure you clean inside. I use some paper. When you install the valve, this is very important, okay? The screw, the hole right here, always in front for you. And those little plastic here has to be 6 and 12. 6 and 12. Okay, just go there and put some water there. It comes with a little tool that you put on the top to be able to push down. Okay, so there. Make sure that